Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about a very important spelling rule. It's called the doubling rule. Now listen carefully to the rule. When a single syllable word contains a short vowel followed by one consonant, that consonant is doubled before adding an ending. This is to protect the short vowel sound. Like for example, let's take the word run. The word run is spelled as R-U-N. If we make it running, it will become R-U-N-N-I-N-G. The letter N gets doubled in the word running. Similarly, when the word hop, H-O-P, becomes hopping, the letter P gets doubled, H-O-P-P-I-N-G. And suppose we take the word skip, S-K-I-P. When it becomes skipping, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, the letter P gets doubled. However, let's take the word jump for example, J-U-M-P. When the word jump becomes jumping, J-U-M-P-I-N-G, there is no doubling happening. Any ideas as to why that is happening? Well, let's go over the rule once again, using the example of the word jump. Jump is a single syllable word. Jump. Yes, jump has a short vowel. U is a short vowel sound. However, there are two consonants after the short vowel sound. After there is M and P. And the rule applies to a single consonant after the short vowel sound. Now there is a way to remember the doubling rule. Now let's go over it slowly this time. When you're applying the doubling rule, say the word. Is it a single syllable word? We all know what a syllable is, right? A beat in the word. Next is find the vowel. And if you find the vowel, is the vowel a short vowel? Yes. Then how many letters follow the vowel? 1 or 2? Remember that the doubling will happen when there is only one letter after the vowel. So double the letter if there is 1. However, do not double the letter if there are 2 consonants followed after the vowel. Alright, now let's practice this. Now let's use the doubling rule and add these common endings. What are these common endings? Let's add, say, ing. That's a common ending. Let's add ed. That's a common ending. Now what we are doing is we are taking some words to which we are going to add these common endings. Er and est. And then we'll see if the doubling rule is happening or not. And one more and very important common ending is the letter Y. Now let's take the example shop. Shop becomes shopping, S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G and S-H-O-P-P-E-D. The rule applies. Pack. Pack becomes P-A-C-K-I-N-G and P-A-C-K-E-D. The rule does not apply and you know now why. Big. Big becomes B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, and B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Here, the rule applies. Let's take the word long. Long becomes L-O-N-G-E-R and L-O-N-G-E-S-T. Does the rule apply? No, it does not. And you know why? Fun. F-U-N. When we add the letter Y to it, it becomes F-U-N-N-Y and the rule applies. Now, let's practice some more. Okay, so we're going to take some more examples. Let's take a few base words and let's add some more common endings and see if the rule is applying or not. This is just for extended practice for all of you. Let's take the word trap. Does the rule apply? So, the best way to figure out is to say the word out loud and figure out if it's a single syllable word. Trap. Yes, it's a single syllable word. Can you find the vowel in the word trap? You're right. A is the vowel. Is it making its short vowel sound? Say the word trap. A. Yes, it is making the short vowel sound. So far, 2 criterias and a tick mark on both. How many letters follow the vowel? T-R-A-P. P follows the vowel, and how many letters is that? 1 only. So will the rule apply? Yes, it will apply. So what is the rule? We are going to double the letter if there is 1 consonant after the short vowel sound. So if we add the common ending ing or say ed to the base word trap, we will double the consonant. So what will it become? It will become T-R-A-P-P-I-N-G, and that's when we add ing to it, and if we add ed to it, it will become there. That's right. T-R-A-P-P-E-D. So we are going to be doubling the P. Would you like to practice this some more? You may now apply this rule to say a few more words. Let's take the word hiss. H-I-S-S. Let's take another word, drag. D-R-A-G. Another word, pat. P-A-T. Pat. And say lick. L-I-C-K. Now let's add common endings ing and ed. Hiss. H-I-S-S. When ing is added, it will become H-I-S-S-I-N-G. And when ed is added, it will become H-I-S-S-E-D. I'm sure you managed to work that out as well. Now let's take the second word, drag. When ing is added, it will become D-R-A-G-G-I-N-G, dragging. And when ed is added, it will become similarly D-R-A-G-G-E-D, dragged. The rule is applying here. Now let's take the third word. The third word was pat. So when ing is added, it will become P-A-T-T-I-N-G, patting. Yes. And when ed is added, what will it become? You're right. It will become P-A-T-T-E-D, patted. You're absolutely right, and I think you've got a hang of the rule. Just remember to say all the 4 criteria for the word to fulfill, and that's how you figure out if the word will follow the doubling rule or not. And now let's take the last word, which is lick. When ing is added, it will become L-I-C-K-I-N-G, licking. The doubling rule is not getting applied. When ed is added, it will become L-I-C-K-E-D. Any guesses why? That's right. There were 2 letters after the short vowel, 2 consonants. Yes. Now let's take a look at a few more words just for your practice. Let's take the word strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. And another word, fat. F-A-T, fat. Now let's add the common endings ER and EST. Start with strong. It'll become, when ER is added, it will become S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R. And when EST is added, it will become S-T-R-O-N-G-E-S-T. Similarly, when we take the word fat, here the doubling will happen. When ER is added, fat will become F-A-T-T-E-R, and EST, it will become F-A-T-T-E-S-T. I hope you've understood when to apply the doubling and how does it work. I hope you enjoyed learning this rule. I'm sure you'll find some exceptions to this rule. Don't forget to share them with us, and don't forget to push the like button, the subscribe button for more such videos.